In today's video, I am sharing with you some new Dollar Tree DIYs and hack ideas that you have to try using products that are out at Dollar Tree right now. Everything from decor, organization, and skincare hacks using fun products that you need to keep an eye out for. So let's go ahead and jump on into it, but first please leave me a big thumbs up. It's not very often that I will skip over the hair accessory aisle. I just have 3 daughters and something that I'm always taking the time to look at. But I have a really fun hack if you want to dress up some of the Dollar Tree claw clips. I just picked these up in black so they would be kind of sleek, and I was also thinking kind of for Halloween, but these would be incredible Christmas gift ideas if you wanted to DIY these. I am just using 3 of these clips. They're claw clips and they're actually really good quality from the Dollar Tree that I picked up for $1.25. And then I'm rating my daughter's little bracelet kit sets, and I always have beads on hand, so this is really easy to do, really inexpensive. And I just use some of the letter beads to spell out their names, as well as some little smiley face beads to glue these in place and create some really fun, stylish clips. You can use like a tack glue, super glue, like some type of clear glue if you want to. I just wanted this to be done in this video, and I am going to keep them for myself, so I'll just fix them if they mess up or redo them later. But I just picked out my daughter's names in these little letter beads and glued them on using my hot glue gun. I placed the letters exactly where I wanted them to go so that I could center them and then hot glue them in place. These are so cute, will really dress it up, but like I mentioned, a perfect gift idea. I use several paper plates in my crafting stash just to pour paint out on, and I had a really fun idea. I saw these collapsible dog bowls. They're like a travel bowl for your pets that hold water or food, and it's made of this nice sturdy silicone, and it pops out and is ready to go. So I thought it would be a great idea to actually use this to pour my paints into instead of wasting like paper products, just trying to be a little bit more environmental friendly and something that I can reuse over and over. I'm not going to run out of, but you can pour the paint right in there. And here obviously I poured out too much. I'm just going to scoop that right back into the paint bottle. I like to do this on a lot of crafts, or I'm usually making like 10 things, so I just reuse the same color. But scooping that back in there, and then I can easily just take this to my sink, rinse it out, and it's ready to go for another craft project. So I just thought this was a really fun idea to grab. It also holds water, so if you just wanted to rinse your brushes off in here, you could lay them down or let them soak until you could go clean them. I definitely want to pick this up in some more colors. This little silicone ice mold was something that really caught my attention first thing. I know that people they sell like something like this for $7 to $10 that you put your own skincare in and put it in the freezer, and you can rub it on your face. So it just makes it cool without having like the little mini expensive skincare fridge. And this is a really fun idea. So this is just an ice cube mold. I grabbed it, poured some of my favorite lotion in there, popped the lid on, and then stick this in the freezer. I let it freeze, and then on a daily basis, I can just pop this out of the freezer and you can rub it on your face to apply your lotion. You could put any of your favorite lotions in there, or maybe even some like sunscreen would be a really cool idea to put in here. But after this is frozen, I just rub it on my face. It is so refreshing having your skincare products to be chilled, especially when it's warm outside and you just need a nice little pick-me-up in the evenings or morning. I just really enjoy it. Skincare is one of my favorite things, so I'm always looking for new hacks. Speaking of amazing skincare hacks, I was so excited to share with you all my new favorite at-home facial device by Blumine. This is the Blumine Face Pro 2.0 that gives you incredible spa-like results in the comfort of your own home. I have been loving adding this to my evening skincare routine and seeing real results. So this little device packs a punch. Using microcurrents to tone the jawline, reduce double chin, decrease puffiness, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and tightens the skin. It has 3 different light settings. using microcurrent, heat, and vibration to really change the look of your skin. I have been using the Blooming facial tool on half of my face, on this half of my face for the last 5 minutes, and you can instantly see results. So look close, you can see the difference in my face. I have a really round face. I've had it my whole life, and using this tool I can definitely tell that it gives me more of a defined jawline. I like to focus on my lower face, but it also helps like way up high with brow lifting or fine wrinkles. These were all over TikTok. Everyone was raving about them, so I knew I had to try it out for myself. So just 3 to 4 times per week with a warm anti-aging setting improves blood flow, oxygen to skin with collagen production, and reduces wrinkles. The Blooming facial tool also helps with absorption of your favorite skincare products, so works alongside already your favorite skincare routine. I think these would be incredible Christmas gifts, and I have a discount for you guys down below, so you can go ahead and just mark this off of your list and get it for someone who would really enjoy it. These are normally $300, but for the first 100 people that click the link in the description box can get it for just $150 today. You will also get a free ebook with face tightening secrets, and if you are seeing no results, you can receive a full refund. Also, you can receive an additional discount if you use my code Katelyn. So be sure to click that link, take advantage of all of these savings, but let's go ahead and jump back into the video. I spotted so many of these closet essential new products, and they looked really great to me. So I found this one little organizer in 2 different kinds. It has the longer ones as well as the 16 squares. So I picked this one up. It unfolds, and then you can zip it in the bottom to make it more of a solid piece. And then you can pop in some of your favorite delicate ornaments that you want to keep super safe. You could stack these up in tubs or totes and make them safe. So I have even went to garage sales. I recently went to a garage sale, and they had these organizers for $4 each. They were used, they had hair all in them, and they had old ornaments in them. So for $1.25 to pick up a way that you could organize your ornaments. Now I did put my larger ones in first, and you can tell it does kind of go into the second little column, so I just put some smaller ones in those. You also could put some of your favorite personalized ones around the edges, but a really fun way to keep them all organized and safe, being able to stack them up without just throwing them in the tub. Not only do they break, but they get scratched up, and I love keeping the same ornaments year after year, so it's just a fun way to keep them organized on a budget. If you are looking to organize a space, pick up some of these basket labels. These are an incredible price. I have struggled with labeling some of my craft bins for over the years. You can tell these little chalkboard ones, I tried to write on them, and it's too hard to get any of that white writing to show up. So these are great. It is a huge area to write whatever you want to. You could definitely freehand it. I just slipped out the little paper and used that as a template, and then just got on my computer. I just used Word and cut out some of the labels that I wanted, use that as a little guide so that I could cut around it to get it the perfect size, pop these in place. I want to fix up my daughter's a little crafting area, and I know that if I don't sort their stuff out, it's going to be a big mess. So I thought this was a perfect way to kind of separate the school supplies, the scrapbooking supplies, their little bead making kits, and just get everything organized. I haven't even unpacked those boxes yet, so I'll have to fill that in. Maybe I can get them to help me do that very soon, but just popping those labels in there and they are ready to go. They just clip on the basket. I use a lot of the flexible baskets, so it's really easy just to pop it on there. It's so big, the kids are going to be able to easily read it and find what they need. Dollar Tree sells these little decorative boxes. They have them in so many styles and sizes. They even have little wigger ones out right now. These are perfect because they have the designs on top and they have lots of airflow and holes on them. So I have a really fun hack. I painted these up just to fit my style. You could paint these or stain these any color that you like. And then we're just going to use some of those smelly little packets that you can pick up anywhere. They have them at the Dollar Tree, Dollar General. I like to upgrade mine, make them smell a little bit better, higher quality, and usually grab them from the at-home home store or Kirkland's. Get some that smell really good or the ones that you like. Pop them in there, stick the lid on there. These are great for bathrooms or laundry rooms, but they just keep any area smelling really fresh without a lot of effort. Speaking of smelling really good, grab some of this Crayola air dry clay. You can also make a diffuser with clay. One of my favorite things to do, I am just going to roll out some of this clay, make a fun design on it, and then it's going to absorb some of the essential oil. So any of your favorite essential oil, you can just put a few drops on the back and it's really going to smell up any space. This would be great for a car, if you needed a car freshener or something you just want to make for your home. So I just smoothed it out with a can of spray paint. I got it as smooth as possible, and then using this little heart as a template or a pattern, I traced around it and then pressing some fake florals down into it just to get those fun designs. After I was really happy with how it looked, I decided to cut around it. I didn't cut it out first because I felt like it would really mash down the sides, and I wanted this to be pretty uniform and not get thinner and thicker in other places. So go ahead and using a small little dowel rod or skewer, I just poke a hole in the top, put a couple of extra little details on it just to make sure it was nice and full. Let this completely dry, and then I painted the front white. But you don't want to paint the entire thing. You do want to leave the back raw and unfinished so that it will be very porous and soak up any of the essential oil that you put in there. I attached a little hanger to the top, and then like I mentioned, just using your favorite essential oil, pour some on the back, and this is really going to spread that aroma around and make it smell really nice. If you have any other fun hack ideas, please be sure to leave those down in the comments down below. I love going through them and adding them to my videos. Also, don't forget about that huge discount that I have with Blooming. Another huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. But remember, the first 100 people that go click the link down below will get a huge discount, so you can pick one up for yourself or start Christmas shopping really early. So remember, I have an additional discount with the word Katelyn. Thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting. Bye.